Most people get this wrong when filing their North Carolina LLC annual report. They assume it is complicated or optional, and that mistake can cost them penalties or even business dissolution. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Filing is simple, but only if you do it on time and through the correct system. In this video, you will learn how to file your LLC annual report in North Carolina for 2026, step by step, without confusion, penalties, or delays. Let's get right into it. First, understand what this report actually is. When Alex starts an LLC in North Carolina, the state requires a yearly update called an annual report. This is not a tax return. It is simply a confirmation of your business details like address, registered agent, and ownership information. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many business owners think they only need to file once, but North Carolina requires this every year to keep your LLC active and in good standing. But here's the problem most people face. They miss the deadline because they don't know when it is due. In North Carolina, LLC annual reports are due every year by April 15th for most businesses. Missing this date can lead to late fees or administrative dissolution. So step 1 is to go to the North Carolina Secretary of State website. Search for the annual report, online filing section. This is the official place where everything is done. Step 2 is to log in or search for your LLC using your business name or file number. If John already registered his LLC, the system will pull up his business automatically. Step 3 is to review your business information carefully. This includes your LLC name, principal office address, and registered agent. Make sure everything is still correct. If anything has changed, update it during this step. Now in a minute, I'll show you the most commonly missed section that causes filing rejections or delays, and this is where most people make mistakes. Step 4 is paying the filing fee. In North Carolina, the annual report fee is usually around $200 for LLCs. You can pay online using a debit card or credit card. After payment, submit the report and download your confirmation. Always save this receipt because it is proof your business is compliant. Another important tip is to double-check your registered agent information. If your agent is outdated, your filing may still go through, but you could miss important legal notices later. Also, set a reminder every year. Many business owners forget and end up paying late fees that are completely avoidable. So to wrap it up, filing your North Carolina LLC annual report in 2026 is all about logging into the state website, verifying your business details, paying the fee, and submitting before the deadline. If this video helped you understand the process, like the video, leave a comment with your LLC experience, and subscribe for more simple business guides that help you stay compliant and avoid costly mistakes.